How are you two? George here. Hope you're all keeping well. Conspicuous by my absence last week. Have a few days off and doing a bit of stuff inside in the house, some painting and whatnot, just to keep the boss sweet. So I just said I'd come back to you on this thing. It's still a paperweight, but it looks a bit better now. We spent quite a considerable amount of time cleaning it. We removed the face and very carefully cleaned it because we didn't want to disrupt the backlighting. Chrome came up reasonable. Could do with a new bezel, to be honest. And yeah, so the story is with this. Myself and its owner had a chat, and I went through the PA, everything dead in the PA, and no great surprise there, but we kind of did a bit of a deal, so I forwent the bill to what's been done so far, if he let me keep the radio, and he was happy with that, and I was happy with that. So my initial plan was I was going to rip its guts out and put a 148 in there, but I've changed my mind. So as we speak, winging its way from the States, 1, 2, 3, 4 new pots, and I locally sourced a new old stock 2SC 2290. I have a 69 and a 2312 here, so we'll rebuild the whole PA section and see where we go from there. I went through it and scoped it all. Everything from the pre-driver back, including the pre-driver, is okay. So I don't know what happened to be honest, but the fella says we're going to have a go at repairing it, and hopefully that works, because the bits were not cheap. I'm not going to say how much they were, but they weren't cheap. So along with cleaning it all up, I've put in new lenses in front of the channel and frequency display, and also put some filter gel material in there, so when you turn it off you don't see nothing. And yeah, so there we have it. Nice receiver at the minute now is all it is. So next project now, I don't know how long it's going to take for this stuff to get here, but we're going to clean up the arse end of it, remove the fans and clean up the heatsink and respray it and all of that good stuff. So yeah, it looks okay. As I said, could do with a new bezel. We might get one for it, and we'll see where we go from there. So we'll get you in the next one. 73, and take care. Bye bye.